Metamask is a free extension to the browser and smartphone app to create your cryptocurrency wallet where are you allowed to manage your cryptocurrency on Ethereum blockchain. You can send or receive to your cryptocurrency using this wallet. Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. In this video I want to show you how to download, install, set up and show how to use this wallet. All of this section are listed as timestamp in description box, if you want to go to the selected section of this tutorial. First what we need to do is download extension for our browser from official webpage of Metamask. To do this, type in a browser metamask.io/download/. Like you see, this wallet is supported almost on all browsers. Safari not support this extension and this wallet works on Android and iOS device. Choose your browser, in my case will be Firefox, and simply click install Metamask for Firefox. Add to Firefox, add extension, and like you see on the right top corner we have Metamask installed, so we can start. So push button, get started. Select option yes, let's go to setup. This will create a new wallet and security recovery phrase, so create wallet. If you want to share with Metamask your user data, you can agree with this. If not, push button no thanks. Next we need type password for this application. Good to set strong password. For this purpose you can search in Google something like password generator and generate strong password. Remember to set this password. Good option to store this password can be LastPass or 1Password is a password wallet where you can store your passwords. When you created password, type in this form and repeat this password. Next you need select this checkbox, push button create. In this step we have information about secure wallet. Good to watch this video and read description. If you already done this, push button next. In these steps we see a few phrases and this will be for us very useful if we want to recover our account, and this is very important to not show these phrases to any person. This is only for you. So write these phrases in paper and secure this to anyone hasn't access to this. Remember, order of these words has matter. So wrote it in the same order like you see in these fields. So these phrases are hidden here. So if you click here, you see your phrases. So this is my testing account and I will remove this account after this tutorial. So I will show you what phrases are behind this. But if you're making this, make sure only you are see this and only you wrote this and secured these phrases. So click on this field and like you see you have couple of phrases. Save it and secure. Go to next step. This is test are we have wrote our phrases in good order. So now select these phrases in good order. When you select phrases in good order, push button confirm. Congratulations, your first Metamask wallet is created. Push button all done and now you should see Metamask dashboard. Now when you have your cryptocurrency wallet, you can make basic configuration of this wallet. Click on your logo and select option settings. Start from general settings where you can set your currency conversion. For me USD is okay, so I go to the next option. I set primary currency for the fiat because this is easy to read for me. Below you can change language for your language to easy manage this wallet. I left English, but like you see there is a lot of language what you can choose, and this is end of the basic configuration of Metamask. Here we have more option, but we can deep inside this option in next step. How to add tokens supports in Metamask. Go to the dashboard and like you see default is Ethereum because it's the base Ethereum wallet. To add additional cryptocurrency, push button import token and here we have two options to add token to your wallet. First option is easy, and you can simply search this token, for example this, and I select token what is interesting for me and push button next. When we have here information about token what we search, push button import tokens. And that's all. This token is appeared and is available on your wallet. Second option is add some tokens if not existing, so we back to the dashboard and click again import tokens, and next select option custom tokens. Here you need manual fill these fields, so token contract address, token symbol and token decimal. So where you can find this token, go to webpage coinmarketcap.com and found your cryptocurrency. In my case will be CRO. I use this searching CRO. By the way, this is two very nice project where you can get cashback for each your orders. I made first movie where I unboxing this card, and soon I think there will be more info about this project. When you have our cryptocurrency what we want to add, like I spoke, is crypto.com and Zero, we need to find the contracts. Here we have contracts, and we have two options to add this cryptocurrency to Metamask. First option is click the button to copy contract. Here is button, copy address and paste in Metamask. And rest of field should fill automatically. If not, you will be need to add this manually. Second option is push logo Metamask, and now you see info with question, are you want to add this token to your wallet? So here is this icon, and we have message, add suggested tokens. So we have Zero, what we searching, this is from here, push button, add token. When we back to our Metamask dashboard, like you see, we have our Zero token supported by our wallet, and we can send here our Zero cryptocurrency. We have some basic knowledge how works Metamask. Now it's time to add new network to the Metamask. Why we do this? Main goal of adding new network is gas fee for transferred cryptocurrency in network. Network Ethereum is not cheap place to make transfer, so better option is use another network. To this video I select network Binance Smart Chain BSC. In Metamask we have two options to add new network. First option is go to the bscscan.com and scroll page to the footer where you should find button add BSC networks. Just click on it and Metamask automatically add this network. So here we have add BSC network, and like you see, Metamask want to add this network for us automatically, just clicking on this button. But I show you how to add manually if some of the network doesn't have this button. So we close this and go to Metamask settings. To section network and push button add a network. Now we need fill these fields where we find information what data put here. For in case BSC, we can go for the web page binance.com. There is academy and there is article connected Metamask to Binance Smart Chain. So it's full tutorial how to do this, and it's the same what I show you now. So configuration wallet, and here is information what interesting is for us. Remember to not use testnet. For us mainnet is interesting. So network name Smart Chain and paste is a network name. I like add Binance. I like add on the beginning Binance to know what network is in a full name. New RPC URL. Chain ID 156. currency symbol, BNB, block Explorer URL. It's not required, but good this field, and push button save. After this you should see your new network with basic token like BNB, and this token will be needed for gas fee if you want to make some transfer. For Ethereum network it was Ethereum, for BSC, so Binance network, will be required BNB tokens from gas fee if you will be make some transfer. One pro tip: if you want automatically add cryptocurrency from coinmarketcap.com, now we can choose what network we want to add this cryptocurrency. So we can back to coinmarketcap. So like you see, I select Bitcoin on the network Binance, and now I can choose my network and add to the Metamask. Like you see, push button, add token, and now we have supported Bitcoin on the Binance network. To add tokens to your network, first you need add supported token to your network. I'll show you how to do this at the beginning. If we have added our tokens to wallet, we can click on our account here, and we copy wallet ID, or you can choose three dots, view account details, and here is QR code with account ID, and here is a code. You can copy it when you click on this, or use this button to copy. Next, go to place from where you want to send this cryptocurrency. For example, if you have a account in Binance, you can go to your Binance account and select Bitcoin, because we added supporting Bitcoin. If you want, of course, send Bitcoins. Bitcoin is example for the case. If you choose something else on the Binance network, add supporting cryptocurrency here, and choose another cryptocurrency on your Binance market. Choose WinRAR. There in the WinRAR, paste this account ID. Not forget to select on what network you want to send it, because you can have the same cryptocurrency on different network. So if you want to send Bitcoin to the Metamask wallet, don't forget copy account number from the Binance Smart Chain and set the same network in your Binance when you're making WinRAR to send this money to the Metamask. If you want to send WinRAR tokens from the Metamask wallet for your market or another wallet or your physical wallet, go to cryptocurrency that what you want to send and push button send. So for example, we can choose Bitcoin and push button send. So type here your wallet ID. This is my wallet ID from Metamask, so don't look on this. This is only testing account. And the next step, type how many you want to send, and you will see how fee you need to pay for this transfer at the select network. So like I spoke at the beginning, you need BNB token because we're sending from Binance Smart Chain cryptocurrency, and you need some BNB for your fee. This is information about price for sending. We can type here, for example, 10 BTC. Of course, I have not enough tokens, so we have information about gas fee. So you need have some BNB on your account if you want to send money from your Metamask. At the network Ethereum will be Ethereum like gas fee, so we can choose, for example, this cryptocurrency, push button send, type your account ID, wallet ID. This is cryptocurrency, and for example, typing 10. And on this network, you need to have Ethereum on your wallet if you want send tokens on this network, because you need buy fee in the Ethereum. I think that's all. This is basic information how to download, how to install, how to use this MetaMask wallet. If you have any question about using this MetaMask wallet, please put this question on the comments below this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.